All right, this is Marathon Digital on the monthly chart. You have this big resistance support band at $20. Scrolling down to the weekly chart, you have buyers defending this weekly bias level of $8. Now, what's interesting is that prices have not moved higher in conjunction with Bitcoin prices. However, that's going to change because these miners to Bitcoin is like Bitcoin to the stock market, meaning these miners are actually higher in volatility than Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is higher in volatility than the stock market. So this is your last opportunity, or you're getting to the period where it's going to be your last opportunity to load up on Marathon. Let's look at this article, and then we'll look at some bigger picture targets that I have. This article is coming from The Motley Fools, dated November 9th. Why Marathon stock, digital stock, is soaring today. So shares of Marathon surge 20%, 22% higher on Thursday morning. The Bitcoin mining company reported solid results on Wednesday evening. Again, that's all due to Bitcoin prices moving higher. Then the good news for Bitcoin itself drove the leading cryptocurrency approximately 3% higher. Marathon produced 334.90 Bitcoin in the third quarter, up from 616 in the year ago period. So they practically went up 6x in terms of their output in Bitcoin. The companies sold 2/3 of the freshly minted coins in order to pay electric bills and other operating costs, but the digital asset on the balance sheet more than doubled year over year to $287. Marathon's third quarter revenue surged from 12.7 million to 97.9 million year over year. So they went from 13 million to 98 million year over year, and that was practically Bitcoin just doubling. Just say from 18 to or 17 or 15 to its current price. Net losses shrank from 38 cents to 9 cents per share. The average Wall Street analyst had expected a loss of 11 cents per share on revenue of 103 million. So the actual results were mixed as measured against the analyst consensus. Now, Marathon is making heavy investments into the crypto mining infrastructure, including large facilities in the United Arab Emirates and Paraguay. And the investments are moving the needle on Marathon's production. In the third quarter of last year, the company collected 0.7% of the Bitcoin produced worldwide. In this report, the market share rose to 4%. Whoa. Miners like Marathon will look like geniuses if there's another multi-bagger Bitcoin price surge in the cards. Again, this is pretty inevitable with the pending multiple Bitcoin spot ETFs in the US. Bitcoin posted significant price increases as the SEC appeared to lean towards approving ETFs based on the digital currency spot price. If the rumor mill turns out to be correct, this move should add lots of free capital to the crypto market and thus drive Bitcoin prices higher. So Marathon stock surge got an additional boost from this potential game changer. All right, so again, you're getting your last opportunities to get long. Price is currently right above the upper portion of this weekly buy zone at $8. Now let's look at some bigger picture targets. Again, the next one's going to be at $20. The next bigger one is going to be at $50. And then the next one is going to be at 100. Now, I'm not saying that you won't have speed bumps along the way. I'm just looking at bigger time frame levels that I'm looking at. Again, 20, 50, 100. Now, when Bitcoin hit 64K back in late 2021, Marathon hit 80K. So say if Bitcoin gets to 100K, that's roughly a, just say 40% increase from there. This $100 level should be a cakewalk. So again, Marathon's giving you that opportunity. Question is, what are you going to do with it? Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.